Hi, I'm Larry Janeski from Connecticut Basement Systems, and I'm the owner of the company and the one who wrote the Dry Basement Science book that we sent to you before we ever met you, really. Um, and as you know, we made some modifications to your home to fix a basement water problem or a crawl space problem, and we continue to provide annual maintenance to ensure that it's working well at your house. So thank you for being our customer, and we pledge you can count on us. We've been going strong for 35 years, and my staff is just so amazing. I'm so proud of them, and we help a lot of people every single day. We're in probably 75 houses a day. Um, but our serviceman was out to your home recently and identified an important need that your home has that I want you to be aware of, and that's why I'm contacting you today. The problem is there's no leaf protection on your gutters. So just a few leaves over the downspout outlet of a gutter can clog it, and all the water that your roof collects is coming over the gutter, pouring down into the soil near your foundation. And so obviously this causes all kinds of problems related to what you hired us for in the first place. An average roof in a 1 inch rain collects 1,550 gallons of water. And that water weighs 12,400 pounds. So all this water in the soil around your house, if your gutters overflow, it creates hydrostatic pressure on the foundation. It can cause walls to crack. It can cause your foundation to settle as it softens soils under the footing. And certainly more water coming in for our waterproofing system to handle. Your sump pump has to run more, it uses more electricity, and when the power goes out, a battery backup pump won't last as long on a new fully charged battery because it has to pump more water, right? If the gutters are overflowing, it's pumping the whole roof, right? So also window wells are right underneath the gutter line. They can fill up and leak into the basement. Mulch gets eroded, all kinds of problems if your gutters overflow. And gutters aren't meant to be full and hold all that weight, and they'll sag, and the hangers pop loose, and your gutters are sagging or hanging off the house. All right, and it makes your house look bad. So there's lots of other issues too, like siding getting saturated from a waterfall of water from the gutters, and window and door problems. If your siding is wet, the paint won't last as long, all kinds of problems. But anyway, the good news is that we have a solution. So it's called Raindrop Pro Gutter Guard, and it's the best leak protection for existing gutters that's available. And this is what we would like to install for you. So this is why I'm telling you about this today, and I'd like for you to let me know. There's lots of screens and meshes out there to install on gutters, but the problem with them is that they collect leaves and debris on top and stems and little bits. They have sharp corners that catch the stems and stuff, and the gutter guards themselves clog. And so one thing that you may not know about us at Connecticut Basement Systems is that we have different home service lines and have developed contractor dealer networks for these different service lines all over North America. And roofing and gutters are included in that. So if you've ever heard of Brown Roofing and Klaus Larson Roofing, both in Connecticut, one in Eastern Connecticut, one in Western Connecticut, they are our companies. So we have expertise in this. And when we found Raindrop Pro Gutter Guard, we were so impressed, I was, by how perfectly it worked and their 22-year track record that we bought the company. So it's part of our greater company here that we have. And today we sell Raindrop Pro Gutter Guard for like 11,000 houses a year. And we've never had a complaint. So this is just an amazing product. So it's the shape and size of the ribs, the slick material, and the fact that it's pitched and not flat, okay, work to make this a permanent solution. You'll never have to mess with your gutters again or your gutter guard. So never having to clean your gutters again will save you time and money, right? And your gutters will never clog again, so never have the damage and mess and really crisis when they do. So we'd love to come out and install them for you, and we'd like to know if you want us to do that. So please let us know one way or the other at 1-800-541-0487 and ask for the service department and let us know. And thanks again for being a great customer. We appreciate you, and we'll be here for you for years and years and years. So I look forward to hearing from you about this raindrop gutter guard that your home needs, and thank you very much.